What's up, ladies? This is your girl, Latoriastatted, and yes, I am back. I know it has been a long time. Don't do me. Please don't. 6 fucking years, bitches. 6 years, but an OG is back at it. Yes, this is one of my own personal lace frontal wigs from my new wig collection that I will be starting here pretty soon. Just give me some time to get everything together. The line of my hair wigs will be called Black Magic Hair Company, named after my son Magic. Yes, but yeah, I'm just pretty much showing y'all the process of how I dyed and applied this lace frontal wig. I had a lot of mishaps. This is my first video in a long time, so please don't bash me too hard, okay? As you can see here, I am just coloring the wig. It is a 613 12-inch bob wig, 6 by 13 lace frontal. It has adjustable straps in the back. Very comfortable, fit me very snug. 130% density in the lace frontal wig. I am just pretty much doing like I don't know if y'all know that girl off of what is it, X-Men, where she has the, I think her name is Rogue or whatever, where she has the colors in the front. I'm doing light pink in the front. It's I forget the name of this color. Sorry for this voiceover. Like I said, I haven't done a video in a long time, but y'all get the picture pretty much. Flamingo, that's the name of it. I don't know why I had a brain for it or whatever. Flamingo pink is the color that I'm applying to the front by Ion Colors. You can purchase it at Sally's. It's very cheap, probably about $5 and some change per container. I'm just applying this color in the front. I sectioned off 2 sections on both sides, left and right. And then I'm just covering it up with the foil, as you can see, to keep it from getting touched from any of the other colors. So next colors are Hottie Pink and Magenta. I mixed Hottie Pink and Magenta together. I also used this Clairol Color Thrive or I Thrive conditioner in there with it because I didn't want it too bright. But I'm just applying this color now to the back of the wig, and I'm applying it all over the back of the wig, trying hard not to mix it in with that front, that flamingo pink, because I didn't want them to mix and it just not be that demarcation that I wanted with my colors. So I let the color sit on for about 30 minutes, washed it out with a sulfate-free shampoo and my Color I Thrive conditioner. Let the wig air dry, and then I went on ahead and styled it. All I did was flat iron it, bumping it slightly at the end. Sorry, I cannot speak. But yeah, I just bumped it slightly at the ends. Use my flat iron, my chi, and my hot comb towards the top to lay those hairs down. Everybody knows about this step. This is the ball cap method. I mean, if you haven't, this is how I do it. This is how I've seen it in YouTube videos. This is what I've reviewed up on it. Spray your hair with the Got To Be spray. Take the Got To Be gel and put it where you would like for your ball cap to start, starting on the edges, working your way around your ears, and take the blow dryer, blow that shit down. Excuse me for looking so busted in this video. Like, I just did this shit on a humbug just because I've been saying for a long time I'm going to do a YouTube video, and I haven't. But now I have the means to, I have the time to, so I did. So don't do me. But anyway, I'm cutting the excess wig cap off, as you can see, cutting around my ear so that my wig bald cap will lay down a little bit flatter. Learned that from Glamazante. Shout outs to her. But yeah, simple. I mean, everybody has this video on their YouTube, so now it's on mine. One thing I did not stress in my video was to use some kind of alcohol, 91% alcohol, astringent, sea base or seed base, or breeze, whatever it's called, on your forehead after you apply your foundation or makeup onto your hairline, because any oils or dirt or anything like that mixing in with the glue and the lace will cause your lace to lift, and your lace installment will not last long enough if you do not follow that important step. Right now I'm going to cut these clips out of my wig because they will poke you in your braids and they will hurt, and you will be ready to rip that shit off your head. So cut those clips up out of there. It makes your wig a lot more comfortable with the application of your wig and just wearing that wig. Right now I'm just trying to get it straight on my head and see where I want to cut my lace at. Y'all, this process was just trying to do this for the first time, make a video and do my hair all at one time. It was just, oh my god, like, I ran out of glue, y'all. It was so ghetto. Like, the video is not everything that I wanted it to be because it's just, I had too many mishaps going on. The hair store was closed, like a bitch was big mad. But I'm showing y'all the gist of everything of how I applied this wig. A lot of people asked me to do a video for it, so I'm just gonna show y'all what it was, the real. So this is me putting it on. Okay, so I used Asia Absolute Lace Frontal Glue. It's supposed to be waterproof, all that stuff. I don't really believe so, but I mean, it gave me a pretty strong bind. It dries quick as hell, so you gotta be quick with this shit because it gets clear fast, real fast. As I was applying the wig, it was very easy to stick it down into the glue. It was very, very strong bind, but it didn't hold. That's part of my fault because I didn't have enough glue. See, up here, I am back in Nebraska, and they had these little bitty ass bottles. Pissed me off. The glue seemed like it was dried up in that motherfucker, and I didn't even get to use all the glue up out of the bottle. It felt like, I don't know, I feel like I got gypped for my little money. But I just recently ordered some Bold Hold, and I can't wait to see how that do. So, but yes, this was me sticking it down into the glue. Didn't have enough to get back up in those frontal areas with my rat tail comb and further stick that glue back down, or that lace back down into some more glue. I'm sorry. So yeah, I was a little pissed off, but the end result was sexy, hunty. I thought I was a bad bitch. Yes. Hope you guys like this video. Like, subscribe, add me on Facebook, Instagram, all of that. I love you, ladies. Stay beautiful.